In this video, we will see how you can get Gemini Pro, and we will understand each of these tools and how to use them properly. So this is going to be a complete guide so AI don't replace you in future and you are ready for the future jobs. AI can actually help you out in doing your job more efficiently, and you would be able to do more work using AI by just spending the same amount of time. And if you are able to use AI in your graphic designing, video editing, whether you are a coder or a photographer or you are a student and you want to study something, AI can help you out in that. And if you are able to master AI according to your use cases, then you don't have to worry about your job loss. We will cover the basics of Gemini in this video and how you can use each of these tools according to your needs and requirements. So let's get started without wasting any of your time. So this is the interface that you get on Gemini, and you can type anything over here, but it's not about typing. It's also about the choosing the right tool and then using the typing or the words that you are going to throw at the AI. First of all, let's check out the tools over here. The first one is deep research. If you want to understand something in a more comprehensive way, then use this option. And if you have the PDF of some book, then you can also upload that over here and then use this tool. Also, make sure that you choose the Pro option over here or the thinking one, so it would provide you better answers. Then comes the creative part, and over here you can use Gemini for creating videos and images. Like if you want to create a video about something, just simply select it, and after that just type over here that you want to create a video. After typing the prompt, just wait for a while and the Gemini will work on that particular prompt and give you the results. For creative work like creating videos or images, it usually takes a longer time, especially for creating videos. So here we have our video, and when we play it up, you can see that we got our video quite well, and it is also HD and good quality video. If you want to download it, you can just simply click over here and download it quite easily. And the important thing is you can generate only 3 videos in one day using Gemini. But there are other ways that you can utilize in order to create more than 3 videos in a day. So now we have seen how we can create videos. So we will simply close it up, or we will just simply select the create image option over here. And as soon as we select the option of image, you can see it over here as well. Now we can generate an image to check out how it works. And these are all the basics of Gemini. And as we move forward, maybe in another video, we will talk about the advanced features where you can edit images, edit videos, and generate a story-like video or documentary-like videos using Gemini. That is possible as well. But first, let's discuss the basics. And on top of that, understanding the advanced steps would be quite better. So I just gave the prompt like generate an image of blue banana farm near a beach. So it would give Gemini some context in order to think about it. And here we go. We got the banana farm, the blue banana farm. And we can even edit this image quite easily using another prompt like and let's see whether this will edit the image or not. And here we got the image, and it turns the leaves of these banana trees to green as per our prompt, but it also turned the bananas into green. And there are ways to correct that as well. We will discuss it all in our advanced course of Gemini, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now let's check out the other features. Now over here, the another tool is Canvas, and using this you can actually create or generate codes for any particular stuff that you want to do, whether for websites or for the apps or for any other thing. Like if I want to generate a website, and look how fast it is. I just completed my prompt and hit enter, and it just started working on this particular website that I'm trying to build. This is how easy it is. And The good thing is you can switch to the preview section as well as soon as the coding or the processing of this AI is completed. How crazy it is, just one line of prompt and I could create this website. And it also has the inbuilt AI assistant that can talk to the viewer of this website. Like if someone is visiting and they have some questions, this AI can help out. And if you want to check out the code, simply switch to code section over here and then copy and paste it somewhere where you want to make some edits to it. You can also make edits over here as well. So this makes things quite easy and efficient, and a lot of time can be saved by the professionals who are already working in this similar field. So AI is not going to replace your job, but if you learn AI can actually help you in getting things done in lesser amount of time. Now let's move on with another feature, and it is guided learning. Over here, this can help you out in learning stuff the way you learn from the different courses out there. Suppose you wanted to learn about crypto, since crypto is growing at a fast pace, and usually people don't talk about the back hand or the back technology of crypto. So if you want to understand that, you can just simply type over here that help me understand. So this is the answer, and over here you can see that it will ask you further questions in order to understand you any particular aspect of crypto. Like over here there are 3 different options that the AI has given us. The first one is digital ledger, decentralization, and mining and validation. Now it has given us 3 options to choose from. If we choose one, then it will start explaining us about the digital ledger. But if you want to understand the mining part of crypto, then it will start with the mining part. And this way it can take you on a journey in order to understand the basics of crypto. This is a great way to understand something without the need of going to different sources and using 20 different websites, then using 100 different videos. Instead of that, you can type one-liner prompt and you can learn about crypto basics without going through all the different videos and articles on the internet. This is how easy it makes your life. And here we can see one more feature, which is dynamic view, and it is the newly released feature by Gemini. Now to understand this feature, we can type the same prompt that we used earlier, like to understand crypto. But this actually helps you understand things in a better way by creating the user interface interactive. So you would be able to interact with the interface in a better way and understand the different things. And whatever it will do, you can see over here, like it is currently defining the core concepts of basics of crypto, expanding on key currencies, and whatever is going on in the background, you would be able to see over here on the left hand side. And you can already see that how different it is from the earlier options that we had. Now let's check out how it will create a different interface. Finally, we have the end results after waiting for a while, and over here you can see this interface, and this will help you understand crypto in a better way. And you would see yourself that earlier it just gave you text to understand the crypto basics, but now it is giving you the infographics, and this will actually get into your picture memory of your brain in order to help you understand in a better way. So the first one is the evolution of a value. Earlier it was barter system, gold and coins, then fiat money and cryptocurrency. And as we move forward, you would be able to see some more infographics and charts and all sort of different things, and this is how it will work. And if we click on these buttons, then they actually work. If we click on key concepts, then it changes. This is how easy the learnings can get with Gemini if you use it appropriately. Now let's check out how you can get Gemini Pro for free. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Google One. After that, open up the very first link that you will see over here, and this is where it will take you. Now when we click on the plans and pricing over here, you can see that it gives you some discount, but it is not free. In order to get it for free, click on Google AI, and here you can see that it will give you Google AI Pro for 1 month at no charge. so you will get it for free. But make sure that you cancel up the payment method or the auto payments after getting this pro subscription. Otherwise your payments can get deducted even after you don't want that. And you can also continue with the payments if you want to use the Gemini for longer duration of time. And if you want to get it for free one more time, just use a different email ID, and this is a secret, don't tell anyone out there. So I hope this video was helpful in understanding the basics of Gemini, and also we learned how you can get Gemini Pro for free. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. See you in the next video.